I love the history of the church. When they sing, there shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of God. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Oh, showers of blessing, showers of blessing. We need mercy, drops round us are falling, but for the showers. Do you know the showers there is not talking of prosperity? When I was a pastor, when we want to have a service of prosperity and blessing, this is the hymn we sing. If you study church history, what they called blessing was revival. The generation has switched it. To them, blessing was not money. That God will remember a people and turn messy drops to showers. That's blessing. So when they prayed, oh Lord, send us blessing, what they were asking for is for the move of the Spirit for revival to come. That's what they call blessing. But the average one in my generation doesn't know that that's the meaning of the hymn. These are the things that will make us flammable. The marking has come many times but could not mark. Because God will first check the vessel, not the gift. I believe that one of the reasons God asked Apostle to hold this meeting and call it cloven tongues of fire, one of the reasons, not all, is what you are hearing. A generation has become markless. Deep but markless. Gifted but markless. Authoritative in speaking but markless. Eloquent in Greek and Hebrew but markless. Let no man trouble me, not us. Me, for I bear in my body the mark of Christ that begins with love.